What is our agenda in Kaohsiung? Wala. Good afternoon. We are here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport again. We're now here at the A Lounge and we are going on another trip. And this time we are going to Kaohsiung. So I think the plan is to go there. Tapos mag-ikot lang. And I have an idea of how we'll spend our days. Kaya lang, the weather for the week is a little bit medyo finicky yung weather. So we'll adjust our itinerary accordingly. Pero yung mga major goals natin is to see yung Pier 2 ba yun? Yes, we'll do the Pier 2. And then we'll take that, ferry going to this little island-ish. Yung Dragon and Tiger Pagoda. And also, nakalimutan ko, they have a lot of night markets. So, sana hindi umulan. Alam niyo naman ang nangyayari pag umuulan. Sobrang hirap mag-video kasi may dala akong payong. But anyway, we'll do our best. So this is our trip to Kaohsiung and I'll see you in a bit. And after 1 hour and 20 minutes, we are now here at Kaohsiung International Airport. And I think the time is around 5:30. So our path now is to check our EC card kung magkano pa laman. Ay Lord, may nahulog. Wait lang. Nahulog yung takip. Anyway, so our path now is to check kung magkano pa yung laman ng EC card natin. And if we can reload, we will do that. And then take the red line to our accommodation and just relax. I think our check-in time is about 3 o'clock, so we're good to go. And let's proceed. It is our first time here in Kaohsiung MTR bus stop. Okay, so we're trying to appreciate everything we're seeing. We're trying to understand the signs. And we're trying to find our way as well. We are taking the red line. And then our stop is Central Park Station. The weather is good. I think it's 20, sabi niya parang 28 degrees. And if I am not mistaken, eto na yung MRT. Paglabas mo, yun na yun. Diba? Convenient. At meron pa naman tayong pera pang reload ng ating EC card. And then, akyat tayo. Or baba. Wherever it needs to go. Wait lang. Baka may escalator naman dito. Ay, meron naman. So we'll take this instead. Ayan. We'll do Kaohsiung International Airport Station. Ayan. And doon na natin makikita yung map. Malalaman natin kung ilang station ang kailangan natin. Pero alam ko mga malapit lang eh. And then we can settle in. And now we are going inside. And then we're going off at Central Park Station. Yan. Tingnan natin kung tama ito pinagagawa natin.
Please hold for handrail tightly.
Yun. So we already have our EC card from our previous trip to Taipei. And it's very useful. Pati barya, pwede mong i-load up. So, tingnan muna natin which directions we're supposed to go through. And then, figure out muna natin ito. So, mga madali lang naman. I think, yep, this is where we need to be. Kasi yun parang dulo yung kabila. And this one is airport. And our destination is R9. Ayan, tingnan nyo. R9. Yan. So sa likod natin yung ating station and this is our first view of Kaohsiung. It's looking very promising. The weather's good. So far, I'm liking it. Okay, tawid muna tayo. Ayan. Our accommodation is actually super close dun sa train station because I consider myself a backpacker. I am staying here. Oh my goodness, katabi pa niya yung descent. I'm staying here at Uno. The name of the place is Uno. The main market are backpackers. Super cute yung building. Ayan, dito siya sa harap ko. Actually, nakakatuwa siya. Ayan siya. Huwag kayong tatawa. Pero ito yung building niya. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Papasok ka pa lang, may anime na. Okay, let's go. Ayusin ko lang muna to. Siyempre maraming mga kailangan gawin dito. Anyway, let's do this first. We just checked in and we are staying here at Uno Backpackers. Ano ba nakalagay? In. And now we are going for dinner. So nakasettle in na tayo. I'm really happy. Maganda yung location ng accommodation natin. And it's just a stone throw away from, the market. Parang hindi ko alam, parang may okasyon yata, parang Memorial Day something. Yun ang nakita ko sa lahat ng mga, oh wow, katabi pa natin yung New Balance. Is this a sign? Hindi. I can confirm na hindi siya sign. Hindi pa tayo kumakain. Gusto nyo na akong gumastos. Okay, hindi siya sign. Hello, we are here now at Liuhe Tourist Night Market. Yun yata yung pronunciation. And we're about to eat. Kadarating lang natin. So, as usual, we go to the night market to eat and I ordered stinky tofu. Kasi this is one of the best places to get it. So, just waiting for it. Excited. We are now here at Central Park. And kagagaling lang natin dun sa Liuhe Tourist Night Market. So, kumain tayo dun ng dinner. And then, we're walking back dito sa ating accommodation. So, magandang weather today. We're taking advantage of it. That's why we're recording. Parang ito yung park dun sa kanilang Central Park Station. So, it's like a green space in the middle. And today, yun lang muna ginawa natin because we arrived mga 5 or mga 6